Good afternoon, guys. So, as many of you know, I will not be in on Thursday, October 15th, 2020. So, therefore, we will not be having our writing Class Connect session. There still is a requirement that your student must meet prior to coming to class on Monday, though. So, by now, you should have the following pages printed out for your student. You should have these accessible to you anytime you come to writing or anytime we are working on this Dragon's Egg narrative. You should have the brainstorming page complete by now. And this is the page we have been working on the rest of this week. So we have finished our topic sentence, our beginning, middle, end, and closing. So the expectation is, even though we are not having class on Thursday, you will still take your writing that you wrote onto here and you will rewrite it on to your rough draft. This is going to be your first draft. So anything that you wrote in these boxes, you are going to copy exactly word for word onto this sheet. Please remember that you are using a paper and pencil for this. You are not typing it unless you have been approved by myself, Ms. Nunemaker, to type it. So the only thing that you need to do is rewrite your entire work onto this page. Then you will work with your learning coach to make the following editing marks. You will use this key to make those editing marks. Your students should be doing this working alongside you. You should not be doing it for them. This is their editing marks and using this key. This is going to help practice the proper writing techniques and editing techniques. So when you come to class on Monday, you should have this page completely transferred onto here. It should have the beginning, middle, end, closing sentence, and topic sentence on there. On Monday, when we come to class, we will work on our final draft. Please make sure that you have those editing marks and you have scanned and emailed this to myself, Miss Nunemaker, by the end of the week, please. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me and I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Happy writing!